लोग भूल जाता है कि उनके बच्चे भी है।
Alright, guys. Remember, after your dynamic stretches, this is key.
He's so yummy. Oh, hi, Aks. Looks like it's Mamu's day today.
Oh, you poor thing. Your mama isn't as cool as Kate, is he?
Yeah, you are so cool. In a lame way.
Whatever. Love you too, girls. Bye.
मामू मैं चलाऊंगी।
All right. Just don't kill us. And don't tell your mom.
ये क्या साल लगाएगा हिलने में?
Hello. Your mama was also once fat. याद है ना मेरी गोलू फेज?